Happy New Year to you all. Welcome to 2024. Yeah, my people, you are still in Barnabas Gist. We still dey here. They bring you updates back to back as it dey hot. I welcome you all in this great and wonderful year, the year of freedom to Biafrans, the year of freedom to all the whole people who are seeking for justice or who want to be free from every oppressor or occupiers of their own land. Welcome to 2024. Yeah, my people, let's jump into the matter where we get for our hand today. They say that the IPOB have raised alarm about the Mazi Nnamdi health condition. They say as we dey talk now, due to too much torture and beating wey they give Mazi Nnamdi for inside DSS the dungeon. They say those things don't come develop am to come get blood, say blood dey rush inside in body. So my people, as this one dey happen, our Rivers brothers and all the whole Igbo tribe who have been carved into other states in Nigeria are now coming back to unite as Igbo and start recognizing themselves. But the worst part of it is that those people who are saying Igbo are not united, Igbo can never unite, are now crying. Yeah, my people, welcome back to Barnabas Gist. If today is the first time when you come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We welcome you to this channel with love. I will also plead that you should share our video so that other people will get our information. This year is a different year for every one of us, and we are here still bringing you updates. Make sure say you follow and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm going to bring some videos up for you here to watch, and I'm also going to read out some for you to understand what is going on. They say that IPOB has raised alarm about Mazi Nnamdi health condition. That Mazi Nnamdi is currently having internal bleeding because of the torture and beating being done by DSS. So this is causing a serious damage to Mazi Nnamdi's body, and this information is coming from IPOB. They have raised alarm for his immediate release, or he need a medical attention. My people, no be small thing, no. This na the information we would they get now as it dey hot. As that one dey hot, they say that our Rivers brothers don't still come aside, come tell that Igbos they will never stand alone again, and they are working strongly to make sure that they unite all the whole lost tribes, Igbos, those ones who never believed due to lies that have been given to them, they are not Igbos. I'm going to play the video for you to watch, but do not forget to drop your comment about the Mazi Nnamdi case issue in just drop it in the comment section and tell us your opinion and what you think. While we watch this video, we'll come back and continue.
Those who are threatening, say, hey, there is a unification agenda going on. Is it a bad thing that we unify our people? What concerns you from unification? Now, how is it paining you to unify a tribe, our people, and it is paining you? You now carry it upon yourself as though we are coming into your house to steal your property. What concerns you from unifying our people? As an equated man that I am, that my people should be unified, is there a problem? That you are now parading, moving here and there, talking here and there, trying to open different pages and all that to counter-attack what we are doing? You are a very stupid person, because this one, it came out within. It's not something anybody can quench. You cannot quench it. I want to thank every one of you following this platform, following this page. First, I want to enlighten anyone here listening to me that this page is not the ordinary, the conventional pages you see. It's not a comedian page. It's not for comedy purposes or skits. This page has nothing to do with all those things I just mentioned. It has to do with our tribes here in Nigeria. It has to do with our tribes here in the Niger Delta, the South, the Southeast. In fact, it has to do with the tribes in Eastern Nigeria. That is the one they call the Old Eastern Nigeria. So we will be identifying with these tribes one after the other. We will separate the Igbo tribes from the other tribes. So that is the essence of this page. And I want to rightly inform every one of you listening that this page has some connectivity with the Nnamdi TV. You know, this is not to say that it has any it has any bond or it has any too much effect on this page, but there is a collaboration between this page and the Nnamdi TV. We are trying to spread the gospel. This is the gospel of unification, bringing the Igbo people in the South region, bringing the Igbo tribes in the Eastern Nigeria, bringing the Igbo tribe in the then Bender State, bringing the Igbo tribe in the North Central. We want to unify Igbo. We want to unify this tribe, the Igbo tribe. The Igbo, I usually call it the Igbo nation. It's a nation made up of different dialects coming together to be called Igbo. This is the essence of this page. This page will sometimes digress into matters that affect the country. So long as it affects any of our tribes, our people in Delta State, so long as it affects any of our people in River State, so long as it affects our people in Ebonyi State or any part of Nigeria, Benue State, as a matter of fact, we will talk about it here. And sometimes we will also digress into some political matters, strong political matters that affect all of us. That is the essence of opening this page. I initially never wanted to have anything to do with page stuff. I'm a critic. I'm a strong critic when it comes to the government and how the government have been treating our people, even here in River State, the tribes of the various dialect Igbo people here in River State, and those of them in Delta State and all that. I'm a critic, not because I do not love other tribes, but because this is my people. And it's just like the issue of Moses in Egypt. Moses has lived all his life in Egypt and almost forgot that he was a son of Israelites. And at a point in time, God showed him that you are actually of the Israel. And so as Moses, I really want to come up and pioneer this. Although it has already been taking place, like we have Chukwuemeka, who is like our head now. Is our head. I will call him like that because he started this unification. And that is why we are looking up to him too, from this end, you know. So, but then, the essence of this page is to talk about our tribes. And at the same time, unify the tribes here in River State, the Igbo tribes here in River State. And of course, any other place we so deem to talk about. That is the essence of this page. So please, those of you following me, be patient, because it is not the normal, regular, conventional page that you have to see content here and there. We are not struggling for content. We are not struggling. The contents are there. We are not struggling for followers. Say, hey, we need followers, so we need money. So that this is no, that's not the essence of this page. This page is built, was opened for the unification of our people and to bring justice to the land. There are certain things that are not okay, that you and I know very well is not okay. Even within us as Igbo people, as Igbos, within us as Ikore people, I'll be talking on the Ikorians, I'll be talking on Port Harcourt issues, I'll be talking on the government of Rivers State, I'll be talking on the government of Southeast, the leaders of Southeast, I'll be talking on the Ohanese people or whatever they call them, very native. I'll be talking on these areas. It's not as if I'll be criticizing them, even though I know they are doing well. No. Whenever you're not doing well, we criticize you. So if you want to say, hey, this boy is going too far, he wants to do this, I am standing. I'm waiting for whoever that wants to come and attack. If you want to attack me online, I attack you back. If you want to attack me physically, I attack you back. I'm not that type that anybody, I will fear anybody and run away. I am not. Those who are threatening, say, hey, there is a unification agenda going on. Is it a bad thing that we unify our people? What concerns you from unification? Now, how is it paining you to unify a tribe, our people, and it is paining you? You now carry it upon yourself as though we are coming into your house to steal your property. What concerns you from unifying our people? As an Ikore man that I am, that my people should be unified. Is there a problem? That you are now parading, moving here and there, talking here and there, trying to open different pages and all that to counter-attack what we are doing? You are a very stupid person, because this one, it came out within. It's not something anybody can quench. You cannot quench it. You can't quench it. You can't quench a genuine struggle. A genuine struggle is what nobody can quench. You cannot bring it down. So it has started, and we'll continue to unify our people. We have here in Rivers State, we have the Ikore, where I come from, we have the Che people, we have the Oba, the Indoni, the Ebema, we have the Opobo, we have the Boni peoples, Igbo speaking people, we have different places, can mention it. In Rivers State, you have 65%, I would say 65%. 65% of Rivers State population is Igbo, and the landmass is Igbo. Look at it very well in the maps. The map will tell you. It is glaring in the map. 65 or 63, let me just say 63% of the population and landmass of Rivers State is Igbo. You cannot take it away. I have always maintained the fact that we have the Igbo nation as a whole. We also have Igbo, within the Igbo nations, we have different segments, different tribes in this Igbo. This is how I put it. I know we have dialects, of course. Even within the Ikore, we have dialects. Are you aware that the Odegu man, where I come from, speaks different language from that of the Rebisi man in Port Harcourt, in Diobu area and the Obunabali area? They speak different language. The greater man speaks different language from the Rebisi man. And of course, you go to...
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you have watched and listened to what our brother have said. If you watch this Christmas and the New Year that we're just in, that is a trending last year that Igbos go to your village, go to your village, go to your village. And Igbos started showing their villages. Everybody was marveled. Wow, look at mansions they are building in village, inside village. So the best thing that will happen to Igbos is to come together and as a brother, our brothers in Rivers State, our brothers in Delta, our brothers in different parts of Nigeria, come together as a brother, because they say it's very strong to break a broom that is together. So if our brothers come together, Igbos is going to make a very big name. They are going to make a very big nation and have a good future, because there are people who love to live comfortable anywhere you see them. They are now like people who only travel to Mat and build a stick house and live in the bush. Igbos are nation builders. So imagine when they have their own country, they are going to build it to their taste and to the taste of the people that will attract the people to visit their own land. So anybody who want to fight against this, you are making a very big mistake, because this is the last option, the last solution in Nigeria, as I'm telling you, because the Fulanization agenda, Islamization agenda is real and you cannot escape it unless you are already a Muslim and you love it. But if you are not one, you must see it happening to your face. Only way that we can be able to conquer this is when Igbos are united, because they can't have the access to do so. But if Igbo is not united, they can fight other people, like majority of the Igbos. They can fight them from different states that are close to them. So share this video and let us know your stand and what you think about Mazi Nnamdi issue. We'll see you for the next update as it is hot. Thank you for watching.